Hey everyone, thanks for watching. This is just a quick video of me replacing the damaged tie rod. Actually, it was snapped, not really damaged. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to follow along on our journey. But here we go. Alright everyone, I think I am recording. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and start with the removal of the broken tie rod. So I've already loosened this nut right here. So I believe, yep, oh that's awesome. You literally just screw it back and that comes right off. Okay. Look at that. Just comes right off. You can see the part that was broken. There's the good side. Now we'll try to do it on this guy in here. Don't know how I'm gonna get in here to get this angle. Oh, that's a total pain in the butt. So this inside one, I can spin this all I want, but it's free spinning in there. So I have to pinch this. I didn't get it on there tight enough. Okay, so I got that one on. Get that to focus on the right spot here. And now I'm going to come in. I wonder if I can do it this way. See, it still wants to free spin. Okay, to get this inside one, I had to use a small wrench, and you lock it on there. There's like a, let me get that out of the way, sorry. There's a flat spot here you can lock a smaller wrench on. I don't know if it's the right size, but a 9/16, if that will focus for you. It looks like it doesn't want to focus. 9/16, and go right on there. Alright, and then you just take your, this is a 7/8. You just take your 7/8 one and put it on, let's see if I can get a good angle here. Put it on this guy, the locking nut, right here. And then you pop that loose, doesn't have to go far, and your busted end can screw right on out. Just like that. Okay. It's totally unrelated, but I see a big ass spider crawling on the floor, and I'm kind of a baby about spiders. So, as you can see, totally snapped that guy, both ends. Now comes the tricky part. I have bought out Rocky Mountain's supply. So they're everywhere was sold out. All right, everyone. I got the outer tie rod end taken off. It's pretty simple. There's a washer, a locking washer on the bottom. You just take that off. But first, you have to remove the little cottering pin from the screw itself. There we go. Then the bolt just comes right out, just like that, and you can take the tie rod connection out. Now, unfortunately, looking at this guy, right here, you can see he, when we hit the tree, it bashed into something in there and damaged the rubber housing, and even looks like it might have damaged the plastic liner inside. So since we're not out on the trail, I'm gonna go ahead and just order a replacement. Might as well, it's not an expensive part. If we're out on the trail, I'd say just send it, just put it back together and send it. That'd get you back to civilization just fine. But since it has that and the damage to the housing, and it can seat back in there, but the second it actuates, it unseats that rubber housing, and then I'm sure all sorts of dirt and stuff can get in there, which will cause that to fail prematurely over time. So no risk. You can see it better there, how it's not really straight. It's kind of took a beating when we slammed into that tree. But other than that, I got everything taken apart. Everything's back together. So we're just gonna, well, everything's not back together. Everything's just still taken apart. So guess we'll just leave it at that for now. The next part will be putting the tie rod back in, which should be pretty easy.